All right. I've talked to you about bonds. I've talked to you about plea bargains. I've talked to you about potential resolutions to your case. Now I'd like to talk to you about going to trial. The decision to go to trial is very serious, and I think there are three things that you need to consider before you decide to go that route. Number one, what is your exposure? What is the worst possible thing that could happen to you if this case goes sideways? Now, just because the lawyer tells you that the punishment range is 5 to 99 years in prison on a felony, a first-degree felony, that doesn't mean that's what you're going to get. But is it conceivable that a jury, after finding you guilty, could give you 10 years, 15 years, 20 years or more? Yes, that's possible. And you need to decide whether or not you're ready to accept that reality. The other thing to consider is, what is your lawyer telling you about your chances of success? What chance do you have of beating the case? And keep in mind, if he does so, it is based on a foundation that half the battle is won or lost at jury selection. You don't really know how a case is going to go until you've got 12 people in the box. And you're not going to know that until the day of trial. So take what your attorney is telling you with a grain of salt, understanding that half the battle is won or lost at jury selection. And finally, you need to consider, what is it that the DA is offering you? What sort of agreement are they putting in front of you? Is it something that, if you do a risk analysis, that might be better off for you than putting your life in the hands of 12 strangers? Do you have more control over what your destiny is based upon what the state is offering you in a plea agreement? So think about those three things. Obviously, have a very long and intense conversation with your lawyer and with your family before you decide to move forward. I hope this information helps. Thank you for listening.